In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix common issues you may encounter with accessing your Google Drive files. Let's dive right into solving some of those pesky problems that can sometimes crop up. First, let's focus on refreshing your login session, which is a simple yet effective way to resolve access issues. Start by navigating to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll notice your Google profile photo at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This gives you the option to sign out of your account. After signing out, simply sign back in again. Then reload the link of the file you're trying to access. This refresh of your login session can often do the trick. If that doesn't solve your issue, the next step is to make sure the file you're looking for still exists. Sometimes files might be deleted or moved, which means the original link may no longer work. If someone else shared the file with you, it's a good idea to ask them for a new link. If you happen to be the owner of the file, you can check your trash on Google Drive to see if it's still there. Just open Google Drive, navigate to the left sidebar, and click on Trash to see what's there. Another effective fix involves clearing your browser cache, as corrupted URL data can hinder access to your files. To do this, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete on your keyboard. This will open the browser's option to clear data. Set the time range to all time to ensure a comprehensive reset. Be sure to check cached images and files and cookies and other site data before clicking Clear Data. This step will help you start fresh and might resolve the issue. For another yet straightforward approach, try opening the link in an incognito window. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N. Once the incognito window is open, paste the Google Drive link and see if it works. If this resolves the problem, it may indicate that your browser extensions or regular cookies are causing the blockage. It's a clear sign that there might be something in your regular browsing session that's interrupting your access. Finally, ensure you're logged into the correct Google account, particularly if you have multiple accounts associated with your browser. Click on your profile photo at the top right. This will show you all the accounts currently signed in. If necessary, switch to the correct one and try accessing your file again. Being logged into the wrong account is a common cause of access problems. We hope that these fixes help you regain access to your Google Drive files smoothly. As always, keeping these troubleshooting steps in mind will not only save you time, but also reduce frustration in the process. Thank you for watching and happy file browsing.